welcome to Cheryl's Topsy-Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine. Today I am going to make fish curry again. This is Rohu fish over here which I bought. I have already washed it. I have put salt and saffron and the pieces are cut this size. You can see this size the pieces are cut. So first of all I will fry the fish and then make the curry. So I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. So come on, let us start the recipe. Friends, I am frying the fish. See the fish frying. Friends, the masalas which I am going to use today is garlic here. I have taken here, this is mustard, black and yellow mustard mix. This is black pepper. I have taken some jeera, some dhania. All this I will make into a paste and then prepare the masala. Friends, now in the same oil I will make the fish curry. I have fried up the fish. This is the fish which I have fried up. Friends, I will add little more mustard oil in it. Some jeera you can see here. This I will put in. This is the bay leaves. This is the green chili. I have cut up one onion. This also I will put in. I will let the onions turn brown. Friends, now I will put in the turmeric powder. Some chili powder. And the masala which I have showed. This. I will let the masalas turn brown. Friends, you can see the masala has almost gone brown. I fried up some potato and kept here. This I will put in now. The potatoes also are cooked up while it was frying. Friends, along with the potatoes, now I will put in the fish also. Friends, all this will cook together. Just the tomato and dhania patti. This also I will put in. Now I will cover it up and let it cook for a while. Tasty fish curry is ready. I hope you all will like it.